Let me share the most important changes you need to make. Keep your feet dry. Fungi love moisture, so keeping your feet dry is crucial. After showering or bathing, dry your feet completely, especially between the toes. Consider using a hairdryer on a cool setting to make sure they're completely dry. Change your socks immediately if they become damp or sweaty. During treatment, you might want to change socks twice a day. Use antifungal powder or cornstarch in your shoes to absorb moisture throughout the day. Choose the right footwear. Wear breathable shoes made from natural materials like leather or canvas. Avoid plastic or synthetic shoes that trap moisture. Alternate your shoes daily so each pair has at least 24 hours to dry out completely. In public areas like pools, gyms, and locker rooms, always wear flip-flops or shower shoes. These are common places to pick up fungal infections. At home, go barefoot when possible to let your feet breathe and stay dry. Keep your toenails properly. Keep your toenails trimmed short and filed down. Shorter nails allow topical treatments to penetrate better and reduce the dark, moist environment under the nail where fungus thrives. Always use clean nail clippers and files. Disinfect them after each use with rubbing alcohol. Cut nails straight across to prevent ingrown toenails, which can complicate fungal infections. File down thickened nails to help topical treatments penetrate. Be careful not to file too aggressively. Disinfect everything. Fungal spores can live in shoes, socks, towels, and bedding, reinfecting you even as you treat the condition. Wash socks, towels, and bedding in hot water with bleach when possible. Dry them on the highest heat setting. Spray the inside of shoes with antifungal spray or rubbing alcohol. You can also use UV shoe sanitizers. Don't share nail clippers, files, shoes, or socks with others. Consider replacing old shoes that you wore frequently before treatment, as they may harbor fungal spores. Boost your immune system. A strong immune system helps your body fight off infections, including fungal ones. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit sugar, as fungi feed on sugar. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Exercise regularly to support overall health and immunity. Consider taking probiotics, which support gut health and immune function. Some studies suggest probiotics may help fight fungal infections. Manage stress through meditation, yoga, or other relaxation techniques. Chronic stress weakens the immune system. What to avoid? Let me tell you about some things you should avoid during treatment, because they can make the problem worse or interfere with healing. Don't use nail polish on infected nails. Polish seals in moisture and creates an even better environment for fungus. Plus, it prevents topical treatments from reaching the nail. I know you might want to hide the discoloration, but resist the temptation until the infection is cleared. Avoid walking barefoot in public areas. This is how many people get toenail fungus in the first place. Always wear protective footwear in gyms, pools, communal showers, and hotel rooms. Don't ignore the infection, hoping it will go away on its own. Toenail fungus rarely clears up without treatment and typically gets worse over time. Avoid tight-fitting shoes and socks that don't breathe. These create the warm, moist environment that fungus loves. Don't cut your cuticles or push them back aggressively. The cuticle is a protective barrier, and damaging it can allow fungi and bacteria to enter. Limit sugar and refined carbohydrates in your diet. Fungi feed on sugar, and a high sugar diet can make fungal infections harder to clear. How long will it take? This is the question everyone wants answered, and I'm going to be honest with you. Treating toenail fungus takes time and patience. You might start seeing improvement within 2 to 4 weeks, but completely clearing the infection usually takes 3 to 6 months, and sometimes up to a year for severe cases. Why so long? Because you need to wait for the infected nail to grow out completely and be replaced by healthy nail.